there. Okay, today's elements of drama definition that we are going to be going over is going to be script. So if you can, go back to this page from yesterday. So you might need to actually pause the video to go back and look for it. So go ahead and pause the video. All right. And if you can't find the page, don't worry about it. Just start fresh on a new page. See, I have an example right here. If you can't find it, no big deal. Just make a new page like this, okay? Script. But my page is right here. So script. You're going to write today's date, 1-15-21. And I'm going to write script down here. Script right here. So you're going to probably need to pause the video to catch up. Alright? Okay, script. The words, the characters, I'm sorry, that's an E. I'll fix that in a minute. Characters say in the drama. Okay, go ahead and copy that. I'm going to fix my E. Okay. So, just going to do rabbit. Pretend like those are a whole bunch of words for rabbit, and then going to do rabbit and skunk. Skunk's lines, rabbit, and this is my example. You can do whatever you want. So I just pretend to draw a little script. All right. So again, if you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. I apologize for using a lighter marker. Okay, there you go.